went over to Normandy, I was only 18, and it made a big impression upon me that I am unable to forget today. When the monumental people sent me the lovely brochure about the monument of putting up on Gold Beach, I thought, this is what I've been kept for, really, to collect for that. And everybody calls me hero, but I'm no hero. All the heroes died. And I think of the fellas who were buried there. France is a big cemetery. A friend of mine was called Joe Needs. He died in the field, and really I was right close to him. And he was 22. When he died, he had a 3-week-old baby that he never saw. The world's crazy, and I wondered whether really it was worth fighting on the beach. The sea, this is one thing that sticks in my mind, was red with blood, human blood.